How to fix eSIM is missing or not showing up on your iPhone. To fix add eSIM option is missing on your iPhone, first of all, you need to reboot your device. To reboot your device, you have to simply follow 3 steps. First of all, you have to press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button. You have to be really quick with these 3 steps. Then you will see a black screen with the Apple logo. Then check if your problem is solved or not. If it is still there, then launch your settings and go through the general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, do reset all of your settings and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily fix eSIM missing or not showing up on your iPhone issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.